प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट के अंतर्गत पार्लियामेंट के फंक्शन पढ़ा रहा था और फंक्शन के अंतर्गत लॉ मेकिंग फंक्शन पढ़ा चुका था। अदर फंक्शन आपको पढ़ाना है 203 पर नीचे देखें, कंट्रोल ओवर गवर्नमेंट फाइनेंस। क्या है अदर फंक्शन में? कंट्रोल ओवर गवर्नमेंट फाइनेंस। द पार्लियामेंट इज द custodian of the national purse. It passes the budget of the union government. The budget is government financial plan. It shows in detail the income and expenditure of the government. In addition to the budget, a financial bill to the introduce these financial legislation have to be approved by the parliament. Control over the executive. The most important function of the parliament is to exercise control over the government or the executive, which is directly responsible to the parliament for all acts. The member of the parliament may ask questions regarding to the working of various departments. The minister in charge of the department is obliged to answer the question on the floor of the house. Moreover, the member of the parliament can move an adjournment motion on any urgent matter requiring an immediate attention of the government, that is, a railway accident or a serious tragedy or an event. The member of the Lok Sabha may present a vote of no confidence against a ministry. If the motion is passed, the ministry as a whole must resign. If a bill or an important legislation proposal is defeated in the House, the entire ministry has to resign. Parliament is thus the watchdog of the interest of the people and controls the activities of the executive. Judicial function क्या है? The parliament enjoys certain judicial power also. It can impeach the president, a judge of the Supreme Court or High Court if they are found acting against the Constitution or misusing their power or indulging in corruption. Electoral function. The parliament plays an important role in the election of the president and vice president. Amendment of the constitution. Any amendment of constitution need approval of the parliament, while some parts of the constitution can be amended by the simple majority in both houses of the parliament. Some parts require a two-thirds majority of both the house of parliament. Session of the parliament. The parliament has to meet at least twice a year. There should not be a gap of more than 6 months between the session. It is summoned by President of India. The first session of the parliament begins with an address by the president. Ordinance. Many times when the parliament is not in session, a situation may occur which requires a law to deal with it. In such condition, the president may issue an ordinance which carries the effect on a law for 6 months. It has to be ratified by the parliament when it meets. धन्यवाद। मैं Thanks.